Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve event viewer with the error CIdFIt service failed to start in Windows. So this error is fairly common and typically shows up after restarting or booting the system. It can raise concerns about background processes or services not working as intended. The CIdFIt service is part of the Cloud Files Mini-Filter driver system, a core component behind Windows integrations with OneDrive and its Files on Demand feature. CIdFIt service failed to start warning is benign, especially on systems where OneDrive is disabled or not actively sensing. The service may simply fail to load because it isn't required and Windows lags it anyway. And then I'll show you some numerous solutions to fix this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to enable the CIdFIt service manually. So all you have to do is to click on Start menu. And then here for search for apps. And then you need to type this registry editor. And then you need to select this run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up this registry editor, so before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you to create a backup file. So if anything go wrong, you could easily restart it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. So all you have to do is to select the file tab. And then you need to select this export. And then here now at export registry file, and then you want to select now in which locations you want to save the files. In creating the file name, and then you need to create the file name and also with a date. And then once you're done, and then you need to click this save. And if you needed to import it back, so all you have to do is to select again this file tab. And then next step, you need to select this import. And then here at import registry file, and then you need now to find and locate in which folder you save that file, and then click open. Alright, so we need to proceed now. And the next step, then we need to navigate the following key. So you need to select this HQ local machine, so click this arrow to expand. And the next step, then you need to select the system folder. So click again this arrow to expand. And then here a system, and then you need now to select this CurrentControlSet folder. So select this arrow to expand again. And then here at CurrentControlSet, and then you need to select the services folder. So click this arrow again to expand. And then here now a services folder, and then you need now to find and locate this CIdFIt services. So you need to scroll down and then find the CIdFIt folder. Alright, so all you have to do is to one-time click. And then on right panel, then you need to find and locate this start. So all you have to do is to select and double click. And then pop up this edit the word 32-bit value. So you need to double check the value name start. And then here now at value data, so set this into the value number 2 to enable the services. So you need to put here this number 2 value, and then here at base, then you need to select this hexadecimal, and then next step, then you need to click OK. And then after here at registry editor, and then we need to close, and then here at start menu, and then we need to restart to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows Update error on your PC, and give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.